How to find a Gmail account by phone number. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome. Click on search bar on top and then search accounts.google.com. Then you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Simply click on your profile located at top right corner of your screen. Then you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Simply add your phone number. First, click on Forgot Email and then add your phone number. After you've added your phone number, simply add your first and last name linked to that phone number. After that, you're good to go. As you can see, it's showing no account found as I have no Gmail account linked to that phone number. This is how to find a Gmail account by phone number. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I'm Sophia signing off until next time.